What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get the rarest icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket, aka the secret mission icons. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. In my last video I showed you how you can get the themed collection icons and event icons. If you didn't watch that video already, I will leave it at the end of this video. So these new 3 icons are called full completion icons, and you can get them through secret missions, which you can't actually find nowhere under the missions tab, because as the name says, they are secret. So you can only find out about these missions when you solve them. But luckily I did some research and I found ways on how you can obtain each one of these 3 rarest icons. So these are the icons that I was talking about: the completion Charizard icon, the completion Pikachu icon, and the completion Mewtwo icon. So let's get into it. First on the list is the Pikachu icon. And you can get the Pikachu icon by simply collecting all the cards from the Pikachu set, aka all the standard rarity cards. So if you would like to get this icon, you would just need to open as much Pikachu Genetic Apex packs as you possibly can, to maximize your chances of getting every single Pokemon and completing that pack set. Now let's move over to the Charizard icon. Same goes for this icon. To get the Charizard completion icon, you just need to open as much Charizard packs as you can to get all the standard rarity cards from that pack, and then you will get the icon. And of course, same goes for the Mewtwo completion icon. To get this icon, you would need to collect every single card from the Mewtwo pack set. So if you like one of these icons more than others, you can just focus on opening those packs, and once you collect every single Pokemon card from that pack, the secret mission will be completed and you will get that icon. So this is how it looks when you collected all the cards and the mission is completed. So at the moment those are all the icons from the secret mission set and all the ways that you can unlock each one of them. If you would like to know how to get other rare icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket, you can watch this video right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.